Hey, everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we've got some shocking news about the recent mass muting of TikTok videos. It seems like Universal Music Group has decided to mute thousands upon millions of videos that use their songs. As you can see on this account right here, all the old videos are getting muted one by one. This isn't just happening to one creator. It's affecting all your favorite TikTok stars. So, why is this happening? Well, which owns a massive chunk of the music industry, pulling all its music from TikTok. Why? Because they claim they weren't getting compensated properly. Many argue that is doing this for the artists, but the reality is they're putting their own interests first. Artists under can no longer freely promote their music on TikTok, hindering their growth and potential earnings. TikTok responded, calling out for prioritizing greed over their artists' interests. The platform highlighted its role as a powerful promotional tool, with over 1 billion users questioning decision to walk away from such support. What's unfortunate is that TikTok recently integrated with Spotify, allowing users to add songs to their playlists with just one click. This feature led to a spike in saves for music creators, but now, with pulling half the songs, that integration is lost. Now, we want to hear from you in the comments. What are your thoughts on removal of songs from TikTok? Could this impact the music industry, especially since TikTok has been a major driver in artists gaining new fans? Let's discuss. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more updates, and I'll catch you in the next one.